MC si Sir D o ang iyahang partner si Ma'am Morsha. Unas tanan, busog batang tanan, murag busog ni kay kusog mamakpak, labi nang mupakpak o kusog, klaro yung busog. Okay, first of all, ang atong presidente sa Cabilao National High School Alumni Association who has just been inducted, including the officers nga atong take oath, ang atong mga magtutudlo sa Cabilao National High School, pinanguluhan sa atong MAPTIC nga principal Mrs. Josephine Lucero, ang atong mga barangay officials, barangay captains nga niya dinhi, mga alumni pod sa atoang eskwelahan, ang atong guest, special guest nga niya dinhi sa Bantawan, ang atong benefactor, also a resident of Cabilao, our friend Mr. Joaquin Giliard and his companion, ang atong executive secretary and at the same time the Law and Tourism officer Mr. Ray Monreal, and di na ko kalimtan ang akong pinangga nga kapikas Gigi. Mga alumni sa Cabilao National High School, mga ginikanan, mga bisita nga niya dinhi karon kanatong tanan, good evening o congratulations sa atong ikaduha nga Grand Alumni Homecoming. Ako ning gihanay ang akong speech sa usa ka papel, tulo ni ka papel diay. Believe ko ni Sir Silving masalta nga insulti ganiha kay mura mag si Barack Obama, why kodigo, spontaneous speech. Maunay alumni o Cabilao National High School, bisan nasa ibutang survive yun, bisan nasa dapita mabuhi ang Cabilao National High School alumni. Mura maghinay unsa na lang ending kay ron nagyapoy pakpak. Ako ning gianay, ako ning ining lison kay mura og ingon sila nga ibutang ko no sa YouTube ning atuang kuan para makasabot po tong mga tuwa sa Amerika nga mga apo na, mga pagumangko na sa mga alumni nga niya dinhi karon. So okay ba ining lison? Okay. Di laman ang Tagalog kay wa jud ko hagbong ko anang Tagalog. My friends, one of the values that we Loonanons have dearly treasured through the years is solidarity. This feeling of oneness through sharing of joys, blessings and responsibilities, and sticking together through thick and thin has gone beyond the confines of our respective families and sustained by Loonanons everywhere amid the challenges faced by a beleaguered nation. In particular, the alumni of Cabilao National High School who have established their homes and careers in other places of the Philippines and the world now join their local peers and colleagues under one roof, the Cabilao National High School Alumni Association, a family they can also call their own. As the air is filled with the joyful music of the fiesta season and everyone wears a happy face, we usher in a new era for the graduates of Cabilao National High School as they celebrate their second grand homecoming. It is for this reason that I extend my heartfelt and warmest felicitations to all of you. Pagkapisgay gayud sa akong gibati karon nga nakasindurot kaninyong mga Kabilaonon bisan kung pinaagi lamang niining akong pagtambong sa inyong kausulugan karon. Nahilayo man ang kadaghanan kaninyo sa atong mahal nga yutawhan, apan naninguha usab kamo nga mapatunay ang pagpakiglambigit sa matag usa pinaagi niining Alumni Association. Sa linain nga pagtan-aw niining inyong paghiusa ug pagsadya karon, usa kini kamatang sa pagluon nga mao ang esensya sa ngalan sa atong lungsod, ang pagtagbo o pagsagol sa tubig dagat o tubig nga tabang simbolo sa pagpakigdait, pagpakigambit ug pagsaulog. Tungod kay karong higayuna ato mang tumong ang paglig-on sa atong panaghugpong. First of all, let me give you a brief review of the developments taking place in our beloved island of Cabilao. Cabilao has more or less 5,000 residents. The island has already has a relatively high literacy owing to the presence of public, primary, and elementary schools, and your alma mater, whose graduates continue to pursue college education to become the professionals that you are today. Although many of you may have other options in life, and some remained on the island, I know that you still continued that tradition of excellence in nurturing your children and in sustaining your livelihood endeavors. For despite the poor soil condition, Cabilao is still able to produce agricultural products like corn, ubi, kamote, coconut, native onion, mango, poultry, and livestock. Of course, we cannot exclude the kulo, the breadfruit of your childhood, and the Romblon palm, which is the source of woven products in Cabilao and the whole province of Bohol. For your information, the shopping bag or bayong nowadays made from Romblon is now the leading handicraft product not only of Cabilao but of the entire municipality of Loon. I am proud to say that Cabilao is now the leading producer of bayong in all of Bohol. As a tourist destination, this beautiful island has white beaches, an island lake, a lagoon, caves, and world-class dive sites. There are at least 4 resorts and 3 dive centers in the island. And for your information, not one of them is owned by a local resident, although all of them are employing Cabilaonons. Because of its popularity as a dive site, Cabilao Island is frequented by tourists coming directly from the nearby island of the province of Cebu, where high-end tourist facilities are available. Those who prefer the peace and quiet of the island stay in the resorts for quite long periods. In 2004, in partnership with foreign and local agencies, the local government unit of Loon established the first ever school-based solar-powered internet cafe and laboratory, not only to keep the Cabilao National High School at par with other secondary schools, but also to cater to the communication needs of our tourists. We are proud of Cabilao and the bounty of nature on its land and under the sea surrounding it. We have long recognized its potential for tourism, and we put this into action. We have strengthened the Bantay Dagat to protect our dive sites. We keep on enhancing Romblon weaving industry, which is now a major income earner for the women of Cabilao. We have constructed a sturdy yet beautiful boardwalk with viewing decks at the island lake. We have just renovated the lighthouse at Punta Baluarte to serve as a showcase of the industry, creativity, and the rich cultural traditions of the warm-hearted Cabilaonons. With this pride, we celebrate the emergence of Cabilao into Loon's prime tourist showcase. For your information, the first and the only international cruise ship port in the country will soon rise in the port of Cabilao, of Catagbacan. And we envision Cabilao and its residents to benefit from the fruits of the booming tourism industry. You might ask why I purposely enumerated to you some of the significant developments in your island. Sayod ako nga inyong gimatuto ang pagtuo nga ang kalayon dili babag sa lungsod nung pagpakabana. On our end, nagpakabana kami pinaagi sa mga kalihukan nga atong nahisgutan. And all that we wish is that you, alumni, also complement such undertakings or fill in the gap. We encourage those with ample resources to invest here, particularly in the areas of tourism and cottage industries. We will set in place a good climate for investment. Og naningkamot nang hinaot kami nga ang uban kaninyo mahimo usab nga aktibong katimbang sa pag-ugmad ug pagpalambo sa atong gikamingawang isla. As your partner in development, we in the local government stand firm on the ideals we have promised to uphold. Let us therefore work hand in hand and move forward. Mighty proud of our common heritage and aspirations. Let me then congratulate all of you who are present in this alumni grand homecoming. It is my hope that you will sustain your alumni association through the years and rest assured that we will always be very happy to welcome any partnership for the good of the people of Cabilao that you will initiate today and in the future. Thank you and congratulations. Mabuhi ang Cabilao National High School Alumni Association. Mayong gabi kanatong tanan.